In this video we are going to talk about Drupal migration. So Drupal 7 to Drupal 9, how to migrate. As we know that Drupal 7 support is going to be end of life by November 2023. Let me open this URL. So here we can get to know that Drupal 7 support is going to be end by November 1st 2023. After that we can't get the Drupal support, so that we have to move whatever the application which is in a Drupal 7, we have to upgrade it to either Drupal 9 or a Drupal 10. Okay, so here I have prepared the checklist and I have I set up on Drupal 7 application. I will show you the live demo how to migrate to Drupal 9 version. Okay, so before Drupal 7 to Drupal 9 migration, we have to take some prerequisite steps, which is we have to take the Drupal 7 backup, all your database and as well as code base we have to take it as a backup. Then we have to make sure the Drupal 7 or Drupal 6, we have to make the latest minor version. I am showing Drupal 7 local setup. Here you can see Drupal 7. This is on 7.95 version. The latest version is 7.97. So what I am going to do, I am just updating this to the 7.97 version. Okay, so we used to run composer update, so that will update 7.95 to 7.97. Let me make sure with the test status. This will give you the Drupal application version. Okay, so previously it was a 7.95, now it's 7.97. okay, so through that we are make sure that we are updated to the latest minor version. Then take inventory of your entire site. So inventory of entire site in the sense we have to let me open this. Okay, so currently we are using sites all modules contrib module. We don't have used any custom module. This is for the demo purpose. I have created one Drupal 7 application. This contains some of the contributed modules. For the demo purpose I have created. Okay, so this contains ctools, devil, entity, field collection, libraries module. So as this checklist, we have to take inventory of entire site, which means how many modules we have used, how many custom modules we have used, how many themes we have used. So those editing you have to collect that information in your Drupal application. After that, when you want to update a Drupal 7 to Drupal 9, some of the contributed modules which is available for Drupal 9 already, some of them is not available, so we don't know, and for that purpose drupal.org through that we can get on another module called upgrade status. So we have to install this upgrade status module, so that will give you some report about what are the current Drupal 7 contributed module which is available for the Drupal 9. Okay, if it is not available, then we have to think about it. We have to write from the scratch, or if it is any alternative that we can use it. Okay, so let me move on to that. I'm just showing, let me refresh this page and will confirm with you in the status report page itself whether this is got updated to 7.97. yes, this is got updated to 7.97. okay, so let me go to the module page, upgrade status. This is the module. This is I have already enabled it, and when you go to this configure, here you will get this page. Since I already run this upgrade status report, I got this detail. Okay, if you want to run it again, let me check that. see, this will scan all our contributor module, custom module, themes all together against to this 9.5 version. Okay, I am planning to move Drupal 7 to Drupal 9. Okay, not Drupal 10. Why? There is more stable than Drupal 10, so that I prefer to upgrade to Drupal 9 version. Okay, so this will give some report regarding Drupal core. We are good to go. We are having this 7 latest minor version, and we are ready for 9.5.9 version of Drupal. Okay, so below you can get to know about list of modules. Say for example, I am installing this module, active campaign newsletter sign up. Current version is 7.x. We don't have Drupal 9 version. If you want, you can write it your own, and if you have any alternative solution, you can go for it. Okay, say for example, in administration menu, we can use it for this menu features. So in a Drupal 9 we don't have that. Instead of that, this module itself will suggest replaced by admin toolbar. So instead of admin menu, we have to use admin toolbar. And likewise, see, tools already handled with the Drupal core itself. Devil, yes, we have 9 version available, and this also taken care by Drupal core itself. And field collection is collection of a field, so that replaced by paragraph module. Okay, so we have to use paragraph module. And likewise, libraries available in Drupal 9. Rules, anyhow we are not using rules in Drupal 9, and views also come along with built-in Drupal core. Okay, so this kind of auditing we have to take care. Suppose some of the module is not available, we have to think about it, and we need to write from the scratch if it is possible. Otherwise, if it is any alternative, then we can go for it. So that is how we have to plan for it. So I think we covered this checklist. Then detecting and removing deprecated code. Say for example, when you write some code in a Drupal 7, anyway this is dependent with the PHP version also. Okay, since 7. Less than 7.2 you can use for Drupal 7 version. If you go for Drupal 9, you may need to upgrade your your PHP version also. So some of your Drupal 7 function which is deprecated to upgraded of PHP version. So you need to identify whichever function deprecated, that you need to change it. Okay, in order to migrate from Drupal 7 to Drupal 9, you must update both contributed modules and core modules and themes. Okay, so let me move on. I have installed this upgrade status module, and let me check. Okay, so currently we have updated this module, and let me go to the home page of this module. Currently I used Devil module to generate dummy content along with the dummy image. Okay, meanwhile we need to migrate to Drupal 9, right? So I used to set up Drupal 9 vanilla version, which means there is no content, which is raw Drupal 9 application. Okay, let me show that as well. So here it is. Here we don't have any content, and this is the only one simple test content that I am going to delete anyway, and we don't know any content types. It's a built-in article and basic page only. Meanwhile, I will show you what we have in a Drupal 7 also. Say for example, we have article, basic page, work order. Okay, 3 content types we have. When it comes to Drupal 9, we have only 2. So in order to migrate Drupal 7 to Drupal 9, we have to enable in the destination site, I mean in a Drupal 9 site, we have to enable migrate module, which is comes in a Drupal core itself. So I am just enabling this module. Meanwhile let me go and check this checklist. As I said, if you have any custom module, custom theme, you need to convert into Drupal 9 compatible versions. Okay. Meanwhile, I am just comparing what and all the modules enabled in a 7. The same we need to enable in a 8 also. Just for the case, let me quickly go through it. Active campaign. This we can leave it since we don't have available version on 9. We are not worrying about this one. And admin menu, whether we have admin menu or not. Yeah, this is already enabled. And devel module we have libraries module and paragraph module. So libraries we have used, and devel module we have used field collection. Instead of field collection, we are having installed this paragraph module. Okay, let me enable that, because we need to enable this module, otherwise it won't take that. It won't migrate the field. So it's mandatory to enable that particular module. Let it complete, and meanwhile let me go through this checklist parallelly. Yes, we have covered this much. Okay, so we are ready for initial migration. Initial migration in the sense, already we have enabled Drupal built-in migrate module. Okay, so here we will get to know the configuration from the Drupal migrate Drupal UI. Okay, so when I click on this will ask the old size, the source database detail we have to pass it on. See the preparation steps saying make sure the access to the database, which means the source database we have to provide. Okay, you go through the preparation steps, and let me click continue, and I am going to migrate Drupal 7. Okay, this is going to be root, this is going to be my database password. So now you can see the magic. We are providing the Drupal 7 source database information only. Okay, if I click on the review upgrade, this will give you another report saying that what and all the source database information we can fetch, and this will give you the acknowledgement like since we created any content, you may lose that. Okay, continue anyway. So 11 modules will not be upgraded, 30 modules will be upgraded. Let me check why this 11 modules is not get upgraded. So here we have a detail like admin menu, we are not worrying about it. Active campaign, we are not worrying about it. Admin menu, we have alternate solution for that. Color, devel and all we are not using. We are not much worrying about this devel, since devel is for the developer convenience, so no need to worry about this much. For a field collection, yes, of course we have to use paragraph module. Libraries, anyway, this will give you some information about what and all the module not upgraded. Okay, let me perform upgrade. So if we proceed, the moment when you click on the button, it will start upgrading to 7 to 9. Let me start with that. Running upgrade process is started. This will give you the preview what is going on in the process. So here you will get to know how many tasks are there, how much is completed. Okay, so once it's reached to 100%, you can make sure that all the content what and all we have created here, let's say for example this content type, right? We have this content type, we have this much user. I have used this much user by using devil module. We have 100 user and we have 100 nodes. I already shown you that in a Drupal 9 site we don't have any data. Even though if you have any data, when you go for the upgrade process you may lose that data. Okay, yeah guys, so it's got completed. Once it's completed, it will be redirecting to the home page, and here you will get the data like 74 tasks successfully updated. Congratulations, you upgraded Drupal. So this will give you the log information also. Suppose if you find any issues, the log detail will give you more detail about what is wrong in that. Okay, let me go through the log information. I think since we are not provide the file system information, maybe the images is not migrated. Okay, so we have to, when we have upgrade process in the wizard, right, the bottom you may find the file system path. So that file system you need to provide, only then this image will be getting migrated into the Drupal 9. Let me go to the content part. Let's check whether the content got migrated into Drupal 7 to Drupal 9. Yes, see here, successfully this is got migrated into Drupal 9. Okay, see here, this is about 100 content. This is same as Drupal 7. Let me open any one item, QUIS. Let me check the same thing from here also. Okay, since the ID will be same from Drupal 7 to Drupal 9 also, let me open directly with the NID 125 only. We found that. See here, QUIS, okay, referenced image and QUIS. Let me go and edit. Since we are not provide the file system path, it's not getting it. Okay, otherwise it will be filled with the image from Drupal 7. See the Go Freak here also, the information Go Freaks coming fine. Let's check. Okay, we don't have body content here. Let me check. We have, apart from this work order, any article page we have? Yes, let's check this one. The ID is 50. Let me go and edit here. Edit this node ID. Let me compare that. Add. So this is what the body content. Let me check here. Yeah, it's same as on Drupal 9 also. So the image, as I said, you have to update the proper file system path, only then the image will be fetched. Okay, let me check this paper also. Yeah, see here, all the people information also is getting and created in the Drupal 9. The content type, let's go with the content type. Previously it was an article and basic page only. Now we have migrated the Drupal 7 work order as a newly added content type, which is migrated into Drupal 9 also. Let me go to the manage fields. Let me check what is there. Instead of here we have a field collection for this content type. Let me go to this work order manage fields. Orders is the field collection. The same, if I refer here, orders entity reference, which means through the paragraph module it got migrated successfully. Okay, so let me go to this home page and click on this see here, everything's coming fine successfully, there is no issue. For the demo purpose only, I have added a few content by using this devel module and created few user and created one another content type. So in the actual application you may get a complicated combination of fields, content, so everything we can sort it out. So we can't do the demo for this any particular use case, so it depends on the application usage, it will vary. So guys, please follow this approach. If you need any details, you can ping me, I can help you. Thanks for watching.